Alright, hey guys, I just got my Keychron K1v4 and I thought let's make a quick first impressions video. This is the box in which it comes. On the back side you've got some more stuff, and then in the box is a quick setup guide which tells you how to just set it up, and then your user manual, nothing special there, your keycap remover and some extra keycaps, which has also the orange light changing button, and then of course the most important thing, the keyboard itself. I'll just get some shots in so you can see how big or not big it is. That's like compared to my hand, compared to a normal mouse. And compared to a MacBook Pro 2015, it's also not really that much higher than it. And then some typing tests. Now I'll type something on it so you can hear what it sounds like. This is the low profile Keychron Blues. Alright, and now some things which I noticed, which is that the spacebar is kind of wobbly and the enter key is kind of wobbly in the shift as well. It's like it's not that big of a deal, but that's what I noticed. And what I noticed is that my L key is really like dull. You can barely see the L. Same goes for the H, but it's not that bad as with the L. And then this button up here is also very dull. You can't really see the symbols on it. Once again, not that big of a deal, but that's just what I noticed. And now let's try some RGB stuff, which is really exciting in my opinion. But let me just turn off my lights for that so you can have a better look at the lighting. Okay, so I made it as dark as possible in my room, and now let's see what the RGB looks like. You can change the brightness of the keyboard just like you would do on your regular keyboard of your MacBook Pro by these two buttons. And you can change the color of your keyboard by clicking FN and the arrow keys. You can just get a lot of colors, but let's just keep it at RGB for this video. And then you've got this button up there, which will change the RGB. So let's just go through them. I think these effects are really cool, especially if it's just like black and if you type on it, it gets a color. And you can see it doesn't do anything if you type on it with these type of RGBs. I think this is the one I like the most because it's just, yeah, I think it looks really awesome. but it doesn't do it with the space key. Alright, didn't know that, but apparently it doesn't work with the space key. No idea whether that's supposed to be like that or it's broken. I think it's supposed to be like that. And this is basically reversed, so everything is on. And it goes off if you click it, and then it just fades back. And some disco stuff. And I think this is also really cool. And you can once again change the color of it and just choose the color you think looks best. And then we're back at the beginning. Yeah, so that's the RGB effects that's on this keyboard. So what's my first impression? I think it looks really cool. And I heard some people complaining about that the, let me see, the bottom of the key is like higher than the top, which would make it uncomfortable to type on. But I didn't have any problems with it thus far, so I think it's comfortable to type on. And of course there's some getting used to it, but I was typing pretty good on it already without having used it for a long period of time, which is good, I guess. I really like the RGB stuff. It sounds very nice in my opinion, and I just like it a lot because I was used to the low profile stuff of a laptop. So this is like the best of both worlds for me, being low profile but also being mechanical and having that nice click. So yeah, I think it's a really good keyboard, and if you're like a really enthusiast, and I really like that you can see the switches from the sides, because I've never had a keyboard which was mechanical, so I think it looks cool that you can see the mechanical switches. So yeah, that's it, I guess. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section, and thanks for watching. Bye.